Time now for your forewarned weather with Chief Meteorologist Alana Brophy.
A frigid January Monday. Temperatures staying below freezing for the high in Salt Lake. And you probably wouldn't guess that as you look at this video. Really wintry landscape here. This is so pretty with those clear conditions. With our active pattern, we've cleaned up the air. Scott Taylor catches that perfectly. But fresh snow on the ground and more to come. Are you ready? Because these winter storms are not going to let up. Made it to 30 degrees today in Salt Lake City. The wind chill made it feel like we were in the 20s for most of the day. 26 for the high in Logan, Rock Springs, 19, 36 in Moab, and 43 in St. George. That high temperature is 10 degrees below the seasonal norm that Washington County usually has this time of year. This is what it looked like this evening from the ABC4 studios. We were watching that northwesterly wind come in. It has a bit of a bite. Highest wind speeds only 10 miles per hour, but that makes a big difference when you've got below average temperatures and you factor in the real feel. Whew, the wind's going to start to relax. Look at Castle Country and the basin, really cold there. And we will see chilly temperatures for the overnight with single digits and teens for many spots. As we look at snow potential, wet weather potential for the next several days, you can see that active pattern really holds on. We're going to see periods of snowfall with waves of moisture associated with various winter storms that come through. The first starts tomorrow night and then kicks into high gear as we roll into our Wednesday, where we're expecting widespread accumulating snow. It's why we've got that winter storm warning in pink and winter weather advisories in purple. These are going into effect, and it means that winter travel is expected. Mountain routes will be very dicey. On top of that, we could see periods of compromised travel along I-15 and the Wasatch Front. Winter weather advisories extend all the way to the Sanpete Valley and parts of Juab and Millard County. Our forewarned futurecast takes us through what to expect. Dry tonight, dry to start your Tuesday. Cloud cover for the northern and central portion of the state. So our Tuesday wave of snow, that's mainly going to impact northern and central Utah. Let's put this into motion, and you're going to notice that swath of snowfall from Cache Valley into even the Delta area now, but as far south on I-15 as Nephi, so into Utah County, the Tooele and Rush Valleys impacted by this. The model brings it in by lunchtime. Cold air in place, snow falling, and then here comes the front. This is a big deal because this has the potential to bring a snow squall. You don't always hear that, but a snow squall is a short duration where we could see whiteout conditions, and you see where that heavier snow is embedded. Utah County's part of that. 6 p.m. We watch as the snow showers continue. Northwest flow allows for an unstable environment, so our snow showers will hold on Tuesday. Wednesday morning's commute could be icy. On top of that, we get another round. Here it comes. That front means business, and again, snow squall potential for the Wednesday evening commute as well. So we have to be careful when it comes to commute times because we're going to see conditions. And here we zoom in early Thursday morning. I wanted to show you that the model picks up on lake effect. So we're not done. Periods of snowfall expected. We'll be shoveling and snow blowing a lot. Be careful. You heard me say snow squall. What does that mean? Well, it means intense snowfall for a small period of time. Visibility drops, temperatures drops, and whiteout conditions are possible. It usually covers a small area, but the potential is there for Tuesday night and Wednesday night for different parts of the Wasatch Front. Dangerous driving conditions occur quickly, so we want to stay away from crashes. If you hear of the snow squall warning, pull over. It's not going to be long lasting. Here's a look at snow totals. This is what we're expecting through Thursday. So several waves of snow with the potential of 4 to 10 for our Wasatch Front valleys. Benches could go 8 to 16, 10 to 20 inches for mountain valleys. That includes Cache Valley and the Wasatch Back. The northern mountains at 15 to 30, even more so in the Cottonwoods. 3 to 6 through Thursday for our central valleys. The mountains do better. Castle Country is not favored by the storm orientation, but they could pick up 1 to 3 inches. Lows tonight. Southern Utah could see a trace to 2 for the valleys. Mountains getting 4 to 8. Lows tonight really cold. Single digits, lots of teens. 22 in St. George, teens in Salt Lake. Below average with freezing temperatures for tomorrow. Maybe we jump slightly above freezing as that cold front approaches with our southerly flow, but we're going to drop quickly. 20s and 30s on the eastern side of the state, 43 in St. George. Speaking of, next 7 days brings the chance overnight, Wednesday into Thursday morning, of some snow even in Washington County. Temperatures you see in the 40s, cold for the overnights with those 20s. The Wasatch Front, way more active pattern. Look at this. We have snow Tuesday. We have snow Wednesday, snow potential Thursday, again Friday, and even a weekend storm. It won't be until early next week that we start to dry out. Temperatures stay below average in the upper 20s, low 30s. We're going to hang out near the freezing point with snow on the way. Be ready for it and take it easy on the roads. Back to the desk.